Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy by Boxycharm April box. If you want to see what goodies I have in my box this month, just stay tuned. Alright, so let's open this box up. Alright, so the theme this month says Spring into self-care. So let's look at this. Nourish your skin, savor a sweet treat, soak in the beauty of nature. This month, indulge in life's simple pleasures and let your glow run wild. So that's cute. So they have on there, of course, the normal things where you can scan your code to see what your box is like. I didn't pick up on that the last time, but that's kind of cool. And then they have sneak peeks for your Boxycharm in the future. So that's that. All right. So as normal, out of these items, I was able to pick 3 myself. And I think I told you guys last month that I opted to sign up for the Beauty Boost, which was an additional $15 to get a upgraded item, extra item in your box. That's supposed to be a premium type item. So I'll get to that as to what I received in my box in a second. But let me go ahead and tell you what items that I did pick from the options I was given. So I picked this Natasha Denona. It's called Hot Topic. It's got a play on word, Hot Topic eyeshadow palette. So let me open this up real quick and show you guys. And one thing I appreciate about Natasha Denona's packaging, she always packaged her stuff really well. And I'm glad to see that they translated that even into the box. So that's good. Good to see that. And everything looks good. And this isn't a mini palette. This is one of the regular 5-pan palettes sizes. So that's nice. These are all shades, I believe, that are from her Glam palette that she curated to form this palette. So that's exciting to see that. So that was one of my picks. And then another one of my picks was the Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly. And it's in the shade Pistachio. But this is the packaging for it. It's a shade I know I will enjoy very much, so hence I picked this out. Let's see, it has a doe foot applicator on it. It's just a clear gloss, but has a hint of that mauve tone to it. I love shades like that. Let's see. I don't really smell a scent on it, so I don't know why it says pistachio, but I picked that item, and then the other item that I picked from the choices I was given was this Smooth, I'm assuming this is how you say it, Smooth Beauty Calm Me Down Antioxidant Cleanser. That's what that looks like. It's talking about being kind to your skin. Anything that says anything about calming your skin down or anything like that, I enjoy it, because every now and again you do a little too much to your skin. So it's good to have these kind of things on hand. That's what the packaging looks like. It says it's a 100 ml package of 3.38 fluid ounce. So I got this. I haven't heard of Smooth Beauty before, but I'm interested in trying that out. The other things I got, so that was my 3 picks. And so we'll show you the other 2 items that they put in the box for me. It's this Ofra Midi Palette Blossom Blush. That's the packaging. And that's what it looks like. Those pinks, we'll see how that works. They look like nice shades, so we'll see. And this is Feel Probiotic Moisturizer. It protects skin, reduces fine lines, and decreases skin elasticity. Let's make sure it's got a seal on it. And it does have a seal on it. Okay. All right, so that is a probiotic moisturizer that I'll give a go. So that is the items that was in my box, just the 5 full-size items. My beauty boost that I received was the Tatcha Indigo Night Repair. Now this is said to run for $92. Yes, I said that right, $92 is what they got on there. This is a 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounce. And here's the package here. It's a nice size compared, you can see how big it is compared to my hand. And inside it has a little spoon or something sticking here. So something for you to scoop out the product. So let's open this up and see what this looks like. Just broke the package. I don't smell a scent to it, but that's what it looks like. It looks like a real rich looking moisturizer. You can tell the thickness of it just by looking at it. Let me get a little bit here and show you the consistency of it. It's very moisturizing. You can tell it's very moisturizing. I'm gonna rub it all on this one side of my hand. Can you tell how shiny this side is compared to this side? It's very moisturizing. I already had lotion on this side and it looks that much more moisturized from here over all the way up. It's nice. So hopefully I will enjoy that. It says, beautiful faces, beautiful futures. Every Tatcha purchase supports education equality worldwide. That's nice. So Indigo Overnight Repair. It's a serum in a cream. It says helps improve visible irritation and replenish the moisture barrier with Japanese indigo. Oh, okay. So it's a repair cream. Like I said, anything that's supposed to help irritation, which it says this helps visible irritation, I am up for. Want to keep the skin happy. All right, so that is all the items I received in my box. I got an Indigo Repair as my beauty boost item. I am so happy with that. I got the Ofra Blossom Blush Trio with the hot two blushes and the highlighter. Got the Calm Me Down Antioxidant Cleanser. The Feel Probiotic Moisturizer. And then the Tower 28 Lip Jelly and Pistachio. And the Natasha Denona palette, which I put back in the package. And Hot Topic. So I am very happy with my box that I received for April. And I look forward to what I will receive in the future. I know May box is supposed to be an icon box. So I'm wondering what goodies they're going to have in there. I'm excited for that. I always get excited about the icon boxes. And you get more full-size items and normally be some goodies. So I'm hoping that that's going to be the case. But other than that, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.